In this video, I'll be transforming a bedroom looking from this to this. Stakalaka has recently moved into his new apartment. At approximately 15 square meters or 160 square feet, with a budget of $2,000, let's see what I can do here. Let's take a closer look at this room. Stakalaka has two major concerns. Firstly, there's no place to sit, hang out with his friends. Secondly, he needs somewhere to work on his laptop. Fortunately, I have a plan. I created a bunch of relationship diagrams to figure out what's the best combination of program and layout for the room. In the end, I decided to go with option 2. An open plan is probably a better social space for Stakalaka and his friends to hang out. Now that I've divided up the room, I immediately run into the next problem. I need to make the room more cohesive. Just like wearing clothes, a nicely styled home makes everything look tidy and spacious. With the limited budget, I think there are two simple things I can do to help with the visual cohesiveness. By using a monochromatic color palette and furniture that are of a similar geometry or silhouettes. Let's put this into practice. From the limited photos I've received, it seems like the floor is covered with some sort of grey carpet. Let's complement it by making the color palette black, grey and white. It's modern, it's easy to color match. Stakalaka wants to add more furnitures in the future. Found this black marble stick and peel removable wallpaper. This can bring a massive visual change to the room without being too expensive. And once Stakalaka wants to move out, the wallpaper should come off relatively easily without damaging the wall. I then included a bunch of black furnitures with similar shapes. These are mostly from IKEA. To give the room a final touch, I included this custom LED sign to give the room a futuristic look. And here it is. The room is now divided into 3 sections. Without a hard physical barrier, the room feels spacious but not empty. On the right hand side of the bed, there's a beanbag. This can be used as a sofa and gathering space when friends come over. I included blinds on both windows and the terrace door to regain a little privacy for Stakalaka. The monotone furniture gives the room a very modern look. I think the LED design makes it look even more special. Let's take a look at the final furniture list. You can find the link of these furnitures in the description below. In the end, it came down to about $1,250, which is well below what Stakalaka has budgeted for. Perhaps I could have implemented more fancy furniture, but in the end, I think it's a good idea just to save Stakalaka a few bucks. That's it for now. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for new videos coming out every Tuesday, click here for other transformations. I'll see you next time.